21 say third bracket 25 minus 20, because 4 multiplied by 5 equal to 20. There is no first bracket, so we solve at the second bracket at first. There is no problem. 4 multiplied by 5 equal to 20, plus second bracket of 10 minus 8, because 2 multiplied by 4 equal to 8, second bracket and third bracket. Okay. 21 third bracket 25 minus 20 plus 2, because in the second bracket 10 minus 8 equal to 2. Now 21 third bracket 25 plus 2, because addition at first. From Bodmas rule, addition at first addition, then subtraction, so 25 plus 2 minus 20 equal to 21. Third bracket 27 minus 20, so 21 multiplied by 7, because there is no symbol, so when we delete the when we completed any bracket, we use multiplication. 21 multiplied by 7 equal to 147. Okay, number 2. Next one, everybody. Next one, 2 second bracket 15 minus 3 plus 3, first bracket of 13 minus 8, first bracket and second bracket, equal to 2 second bracket and first bracket 15 minus 3 equal to 12, plus 3 multiplied by 5, because 13 minus 8 equal to 5. Given here 2 second bracket, 15 minus 3 and 13 minus 8. 15 minus 3 equal to 12, plus 3 multiplied by 5, 3 multiplied by 5, because 13 minus 8 equal to 5, second bracket. 2 second bracket of 12 plus 15, 12 plus 15, 15, because 3 multiplied by 5 equal to 15. 2 multiplied by 27, because 12 plus 15 equal to 27, equal to 54. 2 into 27 equal to 54. Okay, next one, 5 third bracket of 15 plus second bracket of 4 plus 4 divided by first bracket of 4 minus 2, second bracket and third bracket, equal to 5 third bracket of 15 plus 5 plus second bracket of 4 plus 4 divided by 2, second bracket and third bracket, equal to 5 third bracket of 15 plus 4 plus 2, because 4 divided by 2 equal to 2, because division will be at first. From the Bodmas rule we know division will be at first, then plus. Then 5 bracket of 15 plus second bracket of 4 plus 2, second bracket and third bracket, 4 plus 2 equal to 6, and second bracket has finished, equal to 5 third bracket of 15 plus 6, 15 plus 6 equal to 21. 5 multiplied by 21, we use multiply sign, because there is no sign before bracket. So 5 multiplied by 21 equal to 105. Row 2, 4 second bracket of 11 minus first bracket of 8 plus 3, first bracket and second bracket, plus 4 second bracket of 11 minus 8 plus 3, second bracket. In the second line, 4 third bracket second bracket of 11 minus 11, because in the first bracket 8 plus 3 equal to 11 and first bracket has finished. 11 minus 11 equal to 0, plus 4 second bracket of 11 plus 3 minus 8, because there is no symbol before 11, so we take plus sign and plus 3. 11 plus 3 minus 8, 11 plus 3 equal to 14 minus 8. And the third line, 4 multiplied by 0 because 11 minus 11 equal to 0, and second bracket has finished, second bracket has completed, plus 4 of second bracket 14 minus 8, 11 plus 3 equal to 14 minus 8, second bracket. 4 multiplied by 0 equal to 0. We know any number multiplied by 0 equal to 0, plus 4 multiplied by 6, plus 4 multiplied by 6, and 4 into 14 minus 8 equal to 6, 4 6 are 24, 0 plus 24 equal to 24. Okay, next on number 2, 2 third bracket of first bracket second 6 plus 1 minus second bracket of 3 plus first bracket 7 minus 4, first bracket, second bracket, and third bracket. The second line, 2 second third bracket of 7 minus 6 plus 1 equal to 7. First bracket has finished. Second bracket of 3 plus 3, second bracket and first bracket. 2 third bracket of 7 minus 6 because 3 plus 3 equal to 6, and second bracket has completed. 2 multiplied by 1 and third bracket has finished. 2 into 1 equal to 2. Next on row 2, next on 2 third bracket of 12 plus second bracket of 13 plus 12, first bracket of 14 minus 11, first bracket, second bracket, and third bracket. And in the second line, 2 third bracket of 12 plus second bracket 13 plus 12 multiplied by 3 because 14 minus 3 equal to 14 minus 11 equal to 3, second bracket and third bracket. 2 third bracket of 12 plus second bracket 13 plus 36, 13 plus 36 because 12 3s are 36, second bracket and third bracket, equal to 2 third bracket of 12 plus 49, 13 plus 36 equal to 49, 13 plus 36 equal to 49. So 12 plus 49 equal to 61, and third bracket has closed. So 2 multiplied by 61, 12 plus 49 equal to 61. So 2 multiplied by 61 equal to 122. Next on row 3. Next on row 3. 5 plus 4, second bracket of 28 plus 12, first bracket of 21 minus 10, first bracket and second bracket closed. In this line there is a first bracket here 21 minus 10, so we solve it at first. So 5 plus 4, second bracket 28 plus 12 multiplied by 11, 21 minus 10 equal to 11. 5 plus 4, second bracket of 28 plus on 32. On 32 means 12 multiplied by 11. At first we have to multiply 12 and 11 equal to 132. Second bracket closed. 5 plus 4 multiplied by 160. 28 plus 132 equal to 160. 5 plus 4 multiplied by 160 equal to 640. 5 plus 640 equal to 645. The next one, বন্ধুরা আজকে এই পর্যন্তই। তোমরা এগুলো বাসায় প্র্যাকটিস করবে। আমার মনে হয় এগুলো সেকেন্ড টার্মের জন্য তোমাদের থাকবে। সো বাসায় ভালোভাবে প্র্যাকটিস করবে এবং বাসার বাইরে কেউ যাবে না। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।